Process is finished, so you can see like we have like information here that's very handy. We have the service name. This is the name that we provided here. And then we have the stage, the region, and the stack. And this one is the stack that AWS gives for us. Basically, it's the service name and then the stage that we are deploying to. And this is important when you are going to review the CloudFormation stack. You can find this one, and then you will know it's talking about this microservice. Then we have 12 resources. This one is basically very important to know. Before, AWS have like a 200 resources limit, and nowadays, recently, they announced that you can use basically 500 resources for each microservice. And then we have an endpoint. We don't have API keys for now. We have an endpoint. In this case, this is the URL, the endpoint. This is an API gateway that CloudFormation created for us. And then we have the function name, my first lambda. And yep, this is the entire lambda function that it was created using serverless framework. And next thing, we can try to test this endpoint, but I think it will fail. Let's see, I think we are missing a couple of things more. So let me clear this screen. The next thing that I want to install is a special library. Let me go to Google and type serverless-bundle. And let me see, I think it's this one. We are going to use this library in order to have a lot of powerful configurations and in our project. Oh, it seems like yeah, that's better. Like we can have like eslint, webpack, TypeScript, and a lot of really cool features just using one single library. So let's grab this one. And before doing that, let's go to our file and let's type npm init. And then it will ask a couple of questions in order to initialize our node project. I think serverless project is a good name. Version, description. First serverless project with AWS. Entry, I will leave it like that. No, Git repository, no, author. Let's type your name. This is mine. And yes, this is okay. So now we have the package JSON, and now we can copy and paste the serverless bundle library. Let's copy and let's paste and hit enter. This could take a while, so I will pause the video and I will continue after that. Finish, we can go back to the documentation, and as you can see in our serverless YAML file, we need to add this extra configuration. And this is good because we are now introducing like plugins into our microservice. Let me put this a bit down. So like here, for example, you can have like different plugins for your project. It's very useful, very handy. Let me save that one. But then I think, let me see if I'm missing something else. I think we are missing something else. So we are missing this package, and we will type individually. Individually will be true, and we will save this. And then I think we are ready, and this is good. And I will show you why we are doing this in a couple of minutes. Then I think we can redeploy again. So every time you made a change in your serverless YAML file, you basically have to redeploy. So I already have the command here. In this case, it's just this one, serverless deploy -- stage dev, type enter, and just wait for the process. Oh, in my case, it seems there is something that is not okay. Let me see. Oh, as you can see, the linting is already running and testing my code. So I miss a couple of semicolon. So I have to go to my first lambda. And I think that should be here. And something else. Oh, also here. So I will save it. I will clear and I will try to deploy again. So basically what it's doing is doing this, is bundling with webpack. Basically has webpack included and it's running a lot of like testing and linting. And if there is something that is not okay regarding linting, then basically it won't deploy until you fix it.